Welcome students to today's video. So today's video we will be telling the details of the coaching offered by us for the food technology candidates. So many people are asking where to take coaching for the GATE examination in specifically for the food technology, because you have some of the premier institutes like Time, Akash are offering, your GATE Forum institutes are offering coaching for the some of the core engineering, electrical, civil, mechanical, etc. But food technology only some institutes are offering. So we are going to start a coaching, online coaching, completely online coaching for the food technology candidates for the forthcoming 2020-21 GATE conducted by IIT Bombay. So this video is completely will cover the advantages of the GATE examination and our features, what our program will give to you, and what are the benefits if you clear the GATE examination, and the mentor profile and the fee structure for these programs, etc. So GATE 2021. So GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So this is meant for your engineering graduates, young engineering graduates, as well as for the persons who are working in the engineering discipline. So it is a fully computer based test, this GATE 2021, and this 2021 GATE is conducted by IIT Bombay. Syllabus for the subject papers have been revised for the 2021. All the test papers of GATE 2021 will be entirely objective type. So objective type, we know 1 mark questions. The pattern of the questions will include some MCQs, while remaining questions may include MSQ, multiple select questions, and or numerical answer type questions. That is, you fill in the blanks where you will have to answer based on the engineering knowledge. Who can write the GATE examination? So previous year and all, only the fourth year, that is the final year students of the engineering and other disciplines are eligible for the appearing in the GATE examination. But this year they have relaxed the eligibility criteria. So what they are saying, a candidate who is currently studying in the third or higher years of any undergraduate degree program, or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, is eligible to appear for GATE 2021. So in our case, food technology, it is BTech, either the third year students, pre-final year students, and the final year students are eligible. Minimum is pre-final year, that is the students who are in the third year. Fourth year can write, and even those who completed and working in the industry can write. And one specific thing to note is that there is no age limit to appear for the GATE 2021. If you are 35 or 40 years and working in the food industry, if you want to check your knowledge, you can just write the GATE examination. You can write the GATE examination. That's why they mentioned no age limit. And the score of the GATE 2021 is valid for the 3 years from the date of announcement of the results. So MTech courses in the food. So whenever talking the food technology and agriculture, students are thinking only certain courses are there in the food technology. Maybe before 5 or 6 years that may be the case. But today there are a lot of the courses are there. So there are, this slide I have mentioned 11 most important courses in the food technology offered by different premier institutes in the country that uses the GATE score. So obviously GATE is meant for getting admission for postgraduate program in Indian Institute of Technology. That is, if you want to do your MTech in IITs, you should write GATE examination. So food technology students, what course they can opt? So first 2 courses which I have highlighted in red color is offered by IIT Kharagpur. So Kharagpur is in West Bengal. So that IIT is offering 2 courses related to the agricultural and food processing, because they have one school, agricultural engineering, and having so many agriculture and allied disciplines, MTech, BTech, and integrated degree, etc. So first is MTech in food process engineering, right? So second is MTech in aquacultural engineering. Aquacultural means fisheries, dealing with fish culture and fisheries technology, processing, etc. These 2 are offered by IIT Kharagpur. The courses 3 to 7, which are highlighted in violet color, that is MTech in food technology and management, and MTech in food process engineering management, MTech in food plant operations and management, MTech in food safety and quality management, and MTech in food supply chain management. These 5 MTech programs are offered by NIFTM, Delhi, that is National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. So this is another premier institute after your IITs. IITs is the top in the country. So after IITs, CFTRI is there. That is a different case where you have to write another examination for the MSc Food Technology. Another tier 2 institutions are NIFTM and IFPT. NIFTM is National Institute of Food Technology and Entrepreneurship Management. So they are offering 5 courses. You can see the 5 courses: Food Technology and Management, Food Process Engineering and Management, Food Plant Operations and Management, Safety and Quality Management, Supply Chain Management. There are different domains, not only the food technology, food engineering. So many subdivisions are there. That's why they are giving importance for this much degrees in the MTech level. Then 8 to 11 are common other degrees offered by some of the tier 3 colleges at the state level, right? So MTech Food Technology will be offered by some of the institutes in Tamil Nadu and some of the institutes in Maharashtra and all over India, right? And MTech in Food Science and Technology will be there. It is in Indian Institute of Food Process Technology, Tanjavur. Then MTech in Food Process Engineering. This is also offered by Indian Institute of Food Process Engineering, Food Processing Technology, which is situated in Tanjavur. Then MTech in Dairy Technology. Certain colleges like NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute, but of course they are not using this GATE score. They have a separate examination for MTech admissions. Some other colleges will be using this score for MTech in Dairy Technology. So these are the prominent courses which you can take by writing the GATE examination. So some of the prominent institutes offering the food technology PG degrees: IIT Kharagpur, NIFTM, ICT. So those who are in Mumbai will know what is ICT, Institute of Chemical Technology, one of the premier institute which is offering chemical and food degrees in Mumbai area, around Mumbai area. That Maharashtra students can opt for this. Then IFPT in Tamil Nadu. NIFTM and IFPT are the institutes under direct control of the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. So premier institutes after IIT. IIT is the top. Then NIFTM, IFPT. After that, your ICT will come. Then IIT Bombay. See, all the IITs having some more different degrees, right? Not only the food technology, even you can take chemical engineering depending on the criteria of the institute. Some people are doing their PhD in food technology in IIT Delhi, and some are doing IT, chemical engineering in IIT Madras after completing their food at bachelor's level. So you should check the website of the particular IITs, and if the program is eligible, you can apply for that. And what are the other benefits of the writing the GATE examination is for getting a public sector undertaking job. So it is a government job, right? So government sectors now what they are doing, they are not conducting certain separate examinations. What they are doing, they are using this GATE examination for shortlisting the engineering candidates for their recruitment. So one such recruitment is Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS used to call. So this organization has recruitment that was called as BIS Recruitment 2020. They are directly recruiting for the Scientist B post. Okay, so here you can see BIS offers excellent career opportunities to bright young dynamic persons for the post of Scientist B in specified disciplines and categories. So specified discipline means they will mention some disciplines. In that discipline they are offering Scientist B position. So food technology is also there. These posts are in the pay level 10 as per the 7th Central Pay Commission plus allowances as applicable. The gross emoluments at the time of joining will be approximately 87,000 at Delhi at present. So nearly 1 lakh you will be getting in hand if you are recruited in this BIS through the GATE examination. So this is the vacancy details, BIS 2020 vacancy. So you can see for different engineering disciplines, different vacancies are there, right? So food technology is also there. Okay, so mechanical, metallurgy, civil, electrical, electronics, computer, Above chemical engineering, food technology is there. So total 14 vacancies is there. 5 for unreserved, 4 for OBC, and 2 for SC, 1 for ST, and for economically weaker section it is 2. Okay, so total 14 vacancies. So what BIS did was they mentioned that those who have cleared the gate, they can apply for the scientist B recruitment. So if you are not having the gate score, you cannot apply for this organization. This is the last year trend. Okay, so last year who have cleared gate examination, that is cleared means you have to get 30 or 32 marks out of 100, can apply for this gate examination. And last week only the results have announced for this scientist post. Only they will screen through the gate and they will conduct one interview, that's it. So these are the twofold benefits of writing the gate examination, specifically from the point of food technology. So one is MTech in that 11 disciplines of food tech courses, then your central government jobs. So these are the important timelines for this GATE 2021 for upcoming GATE. So they usually call it as GOAPS, okay, GATE Online Application Processing System. That is the website for collecting the applications. So it is opening on 14 September 2020 and it closes on 30th September without late fees. If you apply with the late fees, you can apply up to 7th October 2020. And last date for making any modifications in your existing application is 13th November. An admit card you will be getting on 8th January 2021. GATE examination, the examination dates, if you see, it varies. It starts from 5th February 2021 and goes up to 14th February 2021 because so many papers are there, right? So it starts at 5th and ends at 14th February 2021. So results will be published on 22nd March 2021. Within a month, the results will be published. So actually we are going to start the coaching for food technology. So some of the features of this coaching are, this coaching will be entirely online live classes, okay, through the Google Meet and Zoom classes only, right? So Google link will be shared and Zoom credentials will be shared. So either in Google Meet and or Zoom, the classes will be take place, and only 3D classes in a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. 1 hour. And classes, no recorded videos will be given, only live sessions will be handled. Okay. Then class starts at 24th September 2020 and class ends at 4th February 2020. So the it covers the completely before the examination, that is 24th we will be starting and 4th we will be winding up the sessions because 5th we have your GATE examination. Okay, so approximately 4 to 5 months the coaching will be happening through the online mode only. And this coaching will be handled by experienced faculty in competitive exam domain. So particularly those who are cleared, because food technology subject knowledge is very much important, then only they can teach, okay, to you. So the mentor have the experience of clearing the written examination in NABARD, AGMARK and FSSAI. So NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So it is also food processing division is there. So AGMARK is, all of us know, it is a lab testing branding mark, and FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, the legal food authority, we usually call it as the food authority of the India, right? So I have cleared the written examination, all this exam, all these organizations. Okay, so I will show just a minute. So this is on exam conducted by the Staff Selection Commission, and this is for the AGMARK recruitment of chemist for the AGMARK. This was held in 2017, and you can see so many posts they will be recruiting. So here you can see junior chemist in regional Agmark laboratory, Guntur and Chennai, that is in southern region. Okay, so the postcode is SS11817. So examination was held on 17th November 2017. So in that so you can see we cleared the written examination in the staff selection commission for the junior chemist in the Agmark laboratories, right? Only written examination. This is a document verification list. So cleared the written examination in Chennai region, and also list of candidates to be called for document verification for graduate and above level. Based on the same examination for the Mumbai, okay, that is previously which I shown was for Chennai and Andhra Pradesh. This is for Mumbai and Nagpur region. So in this post also, wait a minute, I will show. Yeah, here you can see junior chemist. So here also shortlisted for your document verification. So this is also for Agmark. This is Central Agmark Laboratory, which is situated in Nagpur area, Maharashtra. And recently, last year 2019, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has conducted a recruitment for various posts for various categories. So in that, under technical officer category, okay, in the preliminary examination, not preliminary, first stage of the examination, because preliminary we used for screen the candidates, but this is for this marks is taken for the merit list. Okay, so it will be added. So it is a first stage examination. So in that examination, it is a merit list qualified candidates. So examination was held on 24th to 26th 2019. So in that examination, it is completely all the questions were relevant to your food technology. So that examination, you can this is according to the alphabetical order. So yes, point number 2205, serial number 2205. So I have been shortlisted for in the first stage of the FSSAI examination. It is also deals with your basic and advanced level of the food technology questions. So Agmark and FSSAI and NABARD, I have told, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So that also will be having so many disciplines for the food technologists. So under that, last year 2019, the same time, I have appeared for this assistant manager in food processing grade examination. So it is comprising of different sections. You can see the marks obtained. So first is 56, that is English marks out of 100. Second is DASC, that is discipline, which is the food technology discipline. So you can see that post applied is food processing. So all the questions will be relevant to your food processing and food technology. So in that discipline based food technology paper, out of 100, 48 marks. And total 104 interview, that is a different thing, 19 out of 25. Okay, so this is, so all these examinations written part is cleared, and we have some knowledge on the questions, whatever the questions will be asked in the examination. Okay, so Agmark we have experience, and NABARD we have experience, FSSAI we have experience, what type of the examinations, and very important thing, competitive examination. All these things are competitive examinations, and we know what and which strategy will be a winning strategy in the examination, right? So all this is these are for your references. So this is something about the mentor who will be handling the classes for you. So he has some knowledge. For the past 3 years he's writing so many competitive examinations relevant to the food technology and cleared some of these examinations, and we have shown the proof. So that mentor will be handling the classes for you for the food technology, and the best materials will be provided for food technology, and 24/7 support will be provided. Either you can call, mail, or the current trend is Telegram and WhatsApp. You can message in Telegram and WhatsApp relevant to the course material. So these are some features of our coaching, and batch size is only 20 students. So since this is our first batch, we don't have any website or office. So this is my first batch, and I'm going to coach 20 students in the food technology, not beyond more than 20, because we want to produce a decent amount of result. We aim to produce the 100% result. That's why we have planned to take only 20 students. And fee we have included is 2,500, including the online classes, and we will be sharing materials in the soft copy, and we will be sharing the PPTs of each and everyday class, and we will be conducting objective mock test as well as your complete gate mock test. So all this test and materials will be covered, and for all this 5 months the course fee, it is 2,500. And interested students can WhatsApp us at 6379002913, or you can call directly for application form for enrollment and fee payment. So hope this helps, and I hope this has given some idea of the GATE examination, what are the benefits, and additionally we have included the program coaching offered by us. If anybody interested, you can WhatsApp or call us. The classes will be starting at 24th of September. Thank you very much.